Okay, we have a circle inside a square. There we go. And we're told that the side of the square is 10 centimeters, which presumably means that the diameter of the circle, there it is, okay, there's the diameter of the circle, is also 10 centimeters. Yep, must be. Okay, work out the total area of the shaded region in terms of pi. So we're not going to put it in a calculator because we don't have one. We're just going to do it. Right, so the shaded area, well, how are we going to find that? That's going to be the area of the square minus the area of the circle. Okay, and that should be quite easy to do. The area of the square is obviously 10 times 10 because you just take the side and you multiply it by itself. Or if you think of it as a rectangle, that would be 10 centimeters too, so it's length times width, 10 times 10, minus the area of a circle. Well, I've written that down over here for you. Pi times r squared. So that's pi times, hang on, have we got r? We've got d. And in order to find r, we need to divide that by 2. So this distance here is 5 centimeters, and this distance here is 5 centimeters, and that is r. Remember that the radius is half the diameter. So there's pi times 5 squared, and so 10 times 10 is 100. 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25, and so we have 100 minus 25 pi. And that's our answer in terms of pi and in its simplest form.